Hey guys, I want to show you something I found on Blood of the Dead. Now, yesterday was a pretty dramatic day. There was a lot of information that was posted on Reddit, and this video is going to be talking a little bit about that. There was a lot of information that was given regarding side Easter eggs for the zombie maps, and one of the side Easter eggs that was mentioned was an upgraded Golden Spork. To obtain the Spork, you first have to obtain the spoon and put it in the tub, and then get some kills on the roof with a magma gat or acid gat. Once the tub is full of blood, you can drain it and then head over to the water tower and shoot it down, make it crash, and then throw your tomahawk at a tree, and you should be able to retrieve the Golden Spork. At this point, it seemed like we were done. We just got the Golden Spork like we had on Mob of the Dead, and there wasn't a lot of hunting for anything outside of this. There were some rumors about an electric Spork, but you didn't really hear too much about that, and again, there wasn't a lot of hunting for it, and clearly no one ever found a step towards that. Well, yesterday, some information was posted on Reddit from a QA tester that was terminated from Treyarch. He had given a lot of side Easter egg information, and a lot of it was checking out. He confirmed some people's suspicions that there was an upgrade to the Golden Spork, and that one of the steps that you had to do was melee 100 zombies with the Golden Spork in front of this tub here in the tunnels next to New Industries. He claimed that there would be some kind of skeleton arm that would come out of the tub and you could interact with it. It would be giving you gems or something like that, and maybe eventually the upgraded version of the Spork. He'd also said that one of the steps was to get a lot of kills with all three traps. So this trap here, also the acid trap and the fan trap next to the warden's office. He had said that although these are the steps, they're not available to do right now, that this upgrade Spork is not working. There's something wrong with it and it hasn't been implemented yet. I wanted to see how much of what this guy was saying is true. All the other information has been checked out, and yes, people were solving Easter eggs that he was talking about on the posts. Well, there is plenty of evidence that yes, this upgraded Golden Spork does exist in some way. Now, if we can do it right now or not, that's the question, but I did find something in the map that does back what this guy is saying. Before I show you guys what I found in the map, I want to show you a tweet that was made that talks about this Spork. This guy here on Twitter actually shows a picture of it. I guess they got into the game files and got into the models and actually found the upgraded version. I've got his picture blurred and what he says about it because I don't want to spoil it for anybody. If you want to go check out his tweet and see what it looks like, you can certainly do that. He still has it posted. But yeah, with this guy's post and then what the guy was saying on Reddit, it definitely looks like, yeah, there's a Golden Spork upgrade, and hopefully we can do it soon, and hopefully it's available now. I want to show you guys something that I found in theater mode that backs what the playtester that got released was saying, that there was going to be a skeleton arm in that tub that was going to be interactable. It was going to raise up out of the blood. You can like hand it something, or it was going to give you something. I was able to get out of the map and under it and all the way over to the New Industries tunnel. And you can see right here that you can just go up and through it and get right into the tub and see everything that's in it. And in the tub, underneath the water line, you can see a right arm of a skeleton, and it's got its fingers closed like it's supposed to be holding something. It looks like the arm is positioned directly in the center of this rectangular tub, and it's right next to a body of a skeleton that you can see right there. So that's where it's going to rise up. The playtester did say that you're going to interact with it in a way where it's going to give you a golden gem or something. Not too sure about that, and I don't know where you're actually going to be able to pick up this upgraded Golden Spork. Maybe right here as well. You can see right here where it's positioned. If you go right next to that rib cage, yeah, it's just going to be right there. There's also a light that is directly above that, so you can kind of understand where the hand's located. And what I can't understand is why this Easter egg would not be available now. What is going on that it could possibly be broken? There are some pretty elaborate Easter eggs on Voyage and also 9, and Blood of the Dead just doesn't have a lot of side Easter eggs right now. I certainly think there's enough evidence so far to at least try and see if we can get anything to happen. The tester also mentioned that this was a pretty tedious Easter egg, so it could just be that it's tough and we haven't gotten anything to trigger. I would certainly encourage people to try for this hunt. It would be really exciting to see stuff start to happen, but I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!